The time is 5 a.m. We are doing 20 kilometers. This is the last run for the week. On Saturday, we will be running Cosmos 3 in 1. 1 kilometer time 6 minutes. 2 kilometers time 12 minutes. 3 kilometers time 17 minutes. 4 kilometers 23 minutes. 5 kilometers time 28 minutes. 6 kilometers time 33 minutes. 7 kilometers time 38 minutes. 8 kilometers time 43 minutes. 9 kilometers time 48 minutes. 10 kilometers 54 minutes. 11 kilometers time 1 hour. 12 kilometers time 1 hour 5 minutes. 13 kilometers time 1 hour 11 minutes. 14 kilometers time 1 hour 17 minutes. 15 kilometers 1 hour 22 minutes. 16 kilometers 1 hour 27 minutes. 17 kilometers 1 hour 33 minutes. 18 kilometers time 1 hour 38 minutes. 19 kilometers 1 hour 44 minutes. 20 kilometers 1 hour 49 minutes. 2 kilometers left. 21 kilometers time 1 hour 54 minutes. 22 kilometers done 1 hour 59 minutes. We are resting. We will run Cosmos.